Hey friends, Zen Cooney here, using a D-ball today. The D-ball is a great medicine ball. This 5-inch size is a great size for the kind of workout we're going to be doing today, or play out as we call it in Primal Nature Play. I've used an 8-pound one. They come from about 4 pounds. You get 6 pounds to 8 pounds, 10, 12 pounds in this size, in this diameter, and they're perfect for this type of nature play. This is a recuperation day, a recovery day for me, so restoration and rejuvenation, revitalization. So we're going to use this ball. And the nice thing about it, it's a hard ball, so it's not, it doesn't bounce and it doesn't squeeze in your hand. So the type of work we're going to be doing is not to be holding it, but moving it quickly from one position to the other. Also, it works great as a slam ball because there's almost no bounce to it at all. So it's never going to slam back up into your face. All right, so I'm going to show you a lot of basic moves that you can use with this ball, and as you start to play with it, you'll find that in no time at all, your joints and sinews are going to be thanking you for using these. Here we go. First of all, we're just going to do a simple around the body pass. You're actually tossing the ball, not just handing it off. Just a good little beginning. So you just do a few reps, reverse it, all right, then let's take it and go around the head. We'll just do ourselves a little halo. So we're working coordination, balance, neuromuscular connectedness. Reverse it. I'm going to use this to assist yourself in developing better development of your joint sinew connections. So just do a few over the heads. Keep your elbows in close, don't let them sweep out like this, you get a better stretch. All right, then let's go around the body pass one more time, then through the leg, up and around. Through the leg, up and around. Now, do you drop the ball? Every once in a while you do. If you drop the ball, what do you do with the drop ball? Pick it up. So you're just working your hip hinge. And just by including that little bit of leg play, you'll find that heart rate starts to go up, muscles start to warm up. So this is a great warm-up if you're using your kettlebells or heavy steel clubs, mace. All right, so after you've done that, let's go ahead and throw in a little hot potato. So we're going to do the hot potato at various levels. So we'll start low. Make sure you got your abs and low back glutes connected as you're doing this. Pick up the speed. Then around the body pass again. So you blend those movements together. So you're basically slapping the ball back and forth between your hands. and then back around the body again. Reverse it. So there's your first set. Shake it out a little bit. Let's do something to incorporate from the ground to the top of the head here. Bring arms overhead and we'll just do our twist and bend. And then bring the hands around the back and press elbows as close together as you can and lift up and down. Then we'll finish up with a little breathing sequence. Exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale. Just follow along with me. So taking the time to do these different kinds of movements, just basic bodyweight calisthenic, works beautifully with the D-ball. So what I'm going to do is move location and we'll do another set. All right, round number 2. So we're going to start off again with a round the body pass. Then we're going to step back with one leg, pass underneath as we lunge, and back up and around. Then step back with opposite leg and pass underneath. Keep your chest up. You don't need to look down at the ball. You want to feel it. What's nice about using the D-ball this way is that it gives you this opportunity to get a lot of movement in of the whole body, but without a great deal of stress. So it's basically a good conditioning with minimal stress, but requires coordination, timing, works the brain. All right, round the body pass. Opposite direction. You'll find that if you start using these about 2 or 3 times a week, in a month, you notice a significant difference. Generally speaking, in a month, you'll notice a significant difference in your grip, your wrists, elbows, shoulders, low back, hips, knees, ankles. All right, next up, I'm going to do the uppercut. So we're going to come around the body pass again, through the leg, up, other side. So basically it's a toss and slap it back. All right. Then round the body pass again. Of the weight. All right, so that was round 2. What I want to also mention about these balls, they are long lasting. They're tough as hell. I've been using this one for 15 years and it's just almost identical to the way it was when I first got it. Been in the heat, the cold, the rain, snow, at the beach, in the desert, mountains, forests, on the rocks, all over the place. Slam it against the walls, slam it against the ground. It takes a beating and just keeps on going. All right, friends, so now we're going to do round number 3. This movement involves the around the body pass through the leg. Then we're going to pop it up to 1, pop it up, catch it with the other, bring it down. 1, 2, 1, 2. So it's pop, 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 pop. Notice I'm in the midline with this lower hand and then the higher hand. All right, so let me show you a little something. With the ball, you're not trying to just grip it. You're just catching it or scooping it. Scooping it. So the wrist bends. Doing it that way, you're not overworking your grip. It'll work out, especially if you're doing higher reps. It'll work out beautifully that way for you. All right, friends, next up, we're going to do a swing using our D-ball. So, we'll do hand to hand. You can do outside, inside, hand shift, inside, outside, inside, inside, outside, inside, inside. You get the idea. Great way to practice your hip hinge. Go way low. All right. Then let's go into a pelvic stretcher. Keep both arms as straight as you can. Then we'll do the butterfly. So you got your exhale and your inhale. Then we're going to add a rotation and exhale, inhale, rotate, exhale. We're going to put a little variation. We're going to just twist part way and then bend at a diagonal. All right, let's pick up the D-ball again. By the way, you don't have to use D-ball. If you can find another brand that also makes them heavy enough and hard enough, that they'll work fine. You can also use steel shot put. I have those as well. And of course, those you can get 10, 12, 18, 20 pounds or more. All right. So what we're going to do is a simple side and just toss it. Keep your core engagement. Again, doesn't look like much, but it's good for those sinews in the shoulders, elbows, and wrists. And of course, then you can just take it into a figure 8. There's round 4. So I'll do some more videos showing some more advanced work that you can do with these. But in the meantime, just practice what I've shown today. And always, as always, 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 make it fun. Because when you make it fun, you feel like doing it every single day.